Hi everyone, welcome back. Here we are back again for you, the last Sudoku of today, a Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru. So let's get started with this Sudoku, and the first question is, can you find the single box in this puzzle? Yes, we can see the single box here. Definitely a 1 here. Do we have a dual box here? Yes, we have a dual box. The 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so the 1 should be here. We have a 2 here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. We have a 2 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then I see here a 4. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 could be here or could be there. I see here a 3. So no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here or could be there. The 5 we have here. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 could be here or could be there. We have a 3 here. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 4 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here or there. We have a 5 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here or there. We have a 3 here. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or there. We have a triple box. The 1, 2, and the 3. I see here the 1 and the 2. So in this box cannot be a 1 or the 2. So it must be a 3. So the other 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Yes. Okay, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So this box could be a 5 or that box could be a 5. But I have here a 5 and there a 5. If I place the 5 here, then I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. And the 3 cannot be in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. That means the 4 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 cannot be in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. We have a 1 here. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be only here. The 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. That means we have a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in one of those 2 boxes. Yes. And this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We have a 2 here. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 should be here or there. The triple box here, the 1 and the 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2 and this should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. And these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So as a pair, the 4 and the 1 goes here. 4 and the 1. That means the other 2 boxes are reserved for the 5 and the 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Well. We see here, I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so it's a 4. So now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 cannot be here. Okay, so the 2, 1, 5. Yes, 1 and 5. I need to wait. How about these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. And we have a 2 here, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes there. And I cannot fill a 2 in this box because otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 should be here. This box can also not be a 3, cannot be a 5, and cannot be a 2. I think it's a 1 or the 4. But we have a 4 here in this area, so it's definitely a 1. And these 2 boxes, the 3 and the 5. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 should be here. Yeah. Well. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes here or there. And these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes here or there. Then we have a 1 here, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes there. And the 5 are left, yes. We have 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. And I cannot place the 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there and the 5 goes here. We have a 5 here, so that means these 2 boxes cannot be anymore a 5. So the 5 goes here or there. 1, 2, 3. Could be a 4 or could be a 5. Yes, this box 4 or the 5. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a, could be a 3, cannot be a 4, 3 and a 5. Yes, 3 and a 5. Two, three. Let me see here. 3, 2, 5. This box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, I see. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in those one of those 2 boxes. Cannot be a 3, so it should be a 4, and cannot be a 5. So this should be a 4, with 4 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 should be here or there. So we have now 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. It cannot be a 2 in this box. We have a 2 there, so the 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. We have a 3 here, a 2 here, 1, 2, 3. So this could be the 4 and the 5. Yes, 4 and the 5. 1, 4, 1, 4. Okay. But I cannot. It depends here. 5, 3. Depends this number. Okay. The 2. This number cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. This cannot be. This number 1, 2. This number should be a 3. It cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left for the 3. We have a 3 here. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 should be here or there. 1, 4, and the 5 are left. 1, 4, and the 5. Let me think. 1, the 2. If it's a 2. This box in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. The 1 should be one of those 2. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So this should be a 5. So here we have 1 and 4 left. But I cannot place a 4 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be definitely a 5. So we have a 5 here. So the 1, the 3, and the 4 are left. 1, 2. and I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so it should be a 4 here. I need 1, if it's a 3, I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So we have a 4 now, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 4 anymore. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So we have now the 3 and the 5 are left. The 3 and the 5. Here we have the 1 and the 3 left. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 3. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3 and this should be the 5. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 1 and this should be the 4. We have now 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And 1 box left for the 1. Alright. 1 cannot be here. So this should be a 4. And this should be a 1. 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 as a pair with 3 and a 5. And these 1 and a 2, we see here a 2, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 1. That means this box cannot be a 2 anymore, so this box should be a 2. Then 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. Here cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 5 now, so this should be a 3, and this should be a 5. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5. This should be a 3, and the 5 are left for this area. These 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 3. We are missing a 4. This box cannot be a 4, so these 2 should be a 4. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 should be here or there. And I'm missing the 2. The 2 could be everywhere. But I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2, this should be a 3. We have a 2 now, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. We have 1 box for the 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes exactly. Wow, great Sudoku, great Tectonic. Do you like so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow, because I have the feeling that the newspaper tomorrow is Friday. I think Monday will be no newspaper Monday, and I think this additional is one of the last additionals of the newspaper, because the corona here is finished, so people going to work, they don't have to stay at home, so we have only regular Sudokus. But it has been fun solving these Sudokus, and yeah, see you next time, and keep on puzzling, people. Bye bye.